Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TV Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at straight line graphs. The equations of straight lines are simple and easy to recognize. They will look like one of these below. X equals A, Y equals B, or Y equals mx plus c, where A, B, C and m represent numbers. For example, x equals 4, y equals minus 3 and y equals 2x plus 1. This is the line x equals 4. All its coordinate points lie along this line. All lines of the form x equals some number will be vertical. Similarly, this is the line y equals minus 3, and all its coordinate points lie along this line. All lines of the form y equals some number will be horizontal. And this is the line y equals 2x plus 1. You may be presented with a table to fill in with coordinates in order to help you plot a line. For example, for the line y equals 2x plus 1, we have the table that looks like this. Some of the values have already been entered. Here we want to work out the y value for each x value. That is, we want to know the position of each coordinate along the y-axis for a given position along the x-axis. When we substitute the value for x of minus 2, we get 2 times minus 2 plus 1, which is a value of minus 3 for y. Similarly, when we substitute a value of 0 for x, we get a value of 2 times 0 plus 1 equals 1 for y. And for an x value of 2, we get a y value of 5. Once we have both the x and y positions for each coordinate, we can plot the path of the line. The form of the equation of the line is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line and c is where it crosses the y-axis. In this case, the line crosses the y-axis at 1. And the gradient is 2, where the next coordinate is positioned away from the first by 2 units in y and 1 unit in x. The gradient is movement in y divided by movement in x. Here, 2 divided by 1. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.